Would you like to create a sample database with 1,000,000 records quickly so you can practice and test your SQL skills? Let me share with you the script I created. This script, when executed, will create a table named sales with 1,000,000 records. Note that these 1,000,000 records are all random and unique, making it an excellent resource for practice. I'll show you the actual results later, so be sure to finish this video to not miss anything. But first, make sure you have a created database. In my case, I have a database named abc_store, and I'll also show you that it doesn't have any existing tables. Now, let's run the script. Let's wait for the script execution to finish. It's done. As you can see, it only took 37 seconds to run. Let's check again to see if a table has been created. Yes, there is. I now have table named sales. So let's see what's inside this table. Let's query it. Add a new query. Then I'll type select asterisk from sales, and run it. As you can see, I now have 1,000,000 records with random and unique customer numbers, receipt numbers, receipt dates, item numbers, quantities, prices, amounts, and date created. Pretty cool, right? If you want this script, I will put the link in the description below where you can download it. But first, make sure you also subscribe to my channel and write your email in the comment section so I can give you access to the file. Thank you for watching, and see you in the comment section below.